Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. This is a surprise video because I usually upload on Monday, but I didn't upload a match try on Monday. Today I'm doing a Tuesday tutorial of a full face of e.l.f. cosmetics. So if you're interested into that, keep on watching and give this video a like if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and if you're new, hello, welcome. Let's get into this video. So I already did my eyebrows with the e.l.f. Precisely pencil. This is just for like $6 or something, or is it $3? I don't know, because the other one retailed for $2. So I think this retailed for $6. Everything will be linked down below. Let's just put it like that. Then I primed my face with the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. That's why my skin is looking a little dewy. A little dewy. And now let's get into the foundation and everything else. So for foundation, I'm using the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. It's oil free, and then it has the satin finish. This is a new one I have in the shade Mocha. And to blend it out, I'm using the sponge. I wet it, that's why it looks like this. I'm using their blending sponge, and it's latex free. It has a pump like this. I haven't used a sponge in a minute, so I'm just gonna pat this around my hair. And I guess I'm gonna start going in. This foundation has a baby powder scent. It always did. Do I like it? I mean, I'm not bothered by it. If you're not bothered by scents, then you won't be bothered by this. And it's a very full coverage foundation. And I never used it with a sponge. This is my first time actually seeing this in action. Wow. And it also has a nice like natural finish, aka satin finish. Like, wow. I'm sorry, like I use like my foundations with a brush, so it's like, wow. Oh, by the way, my window is open and everything else in this house is rattling. I don't know if you hear stuff. That's what it is. This house needs to definitely be worked on. It is being worked on. In the process, I'm waiting for the person to do my window in my bedroom. They did the windows in the rest of the house, but they didn't do the window in my bedroom. So I'm waiting for the person to do that. That's why I'm over here right now. Okay, now I'm taking the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Cocoa on my eyelids, under my eyes, to highlight the center of my face. And I'm using the tip of the sponge because this concealer dries down like very quickly. So yeah, and it is great to have a nice damp sponge to move around the product because it is so drying of a product. Wow. Now I know. I just have to use a sponge with this. Because I was like, it's really nice. It's great for summer, but it's great for winter and spring too. Like, really gotta use a damp sponge. Wow. And it covers and brightens that spot really well. Okay, to set everything, I'm using the e.l.f. Prime and Stay finishing powder. So let's get this baby set. I'm taking it all over the face with my Luxie small contouring brush, and I like this because it goes like into the crevices of the inner corner. And I think I also just like this to put on powder products. And what I like about this finishing powder is that it's light, especially because these are matte products, that you want a light powder. And I know it looks a little crazy right now, but nothing setting spray cannot fix. Now I'm going to use the Bite Size eyeshadow palette in Truffles, just a neutral palette. I'm starting off with this brown shade into the crease. Then I'm going to blend it out with this lighter brown shade up to the brow bone. Deepen up a little black. Smoke that out. Also put it on the lower lash line. And pop this on the lid, the silver shade. So I'm just taking that in the circle of motions and back and forth. You see how pigmented? And that was just like one dip into the palette. And I'm just like taking that into the crease and outer V. Just blending it out. Also, I live by a bus stop, so if you hear that noise, that's just, you know, the buses. Just keep on going. Keep on going. And actually, I closed my window and I still hear everything. I hear everything. Well, I do live on the first floor, so I'm gonna hear everything. Like, people walk by my building and I hear it. And you see how I put that like dark color in there? You can also put a light color if you're lighter than me, but I do it because it looks like a natural crease. Like, it looks like that natural crease shade, and I just do it so everything just blend out and look seamless. You understand, right? I don't know. Okay, I'm taking the lighter color up to the brow bone. Ooh, my stomach is rumbling. I am hungry. Just to get a like lift to the brow and also to blend the colors. Like, do you see that lift? That lift. These shades are powdery, but they blend out so smooth. Taking a little bit of that black, putting it on the outer V, placing it, being very careful because this black, as you can see, is very pigmented. Just, you know, trying to outline, smudge. Wow. Don't worry if it looks crazy right now. Just gonna blend it out. First you place it and then blend it. Like with the black, this pigmented, you just like place and then blend. Whoa. Okay, I'm taking the same motor crease brush with that brown and I'm just doing it in circle motions to blend out that black to make it softer, because this is like a soft smoky glare. Also taking it on the lower lash line and just like smoking it out so it could be like a nice dark brown black. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that very much. Just like smoking that out. Ooh, and I'm gonna do the same to this side, and then I am gonna go and put the shimmer on my lid. Okay, I'm taking the nice like icy silver shade and popping that on the lid like lightly. Ooh, yes. Okay, before we go into blush and lips, all I did was took the same motor brush, like crease brush, like a big fluffy brush that I had the brown on, to tone down the shimmer. Also, this is not e.l.f., but I took my Fenty Beauty mascara just because it gives me that lift and volume that makes it like a glam look without putting wispies on. If you have Ardell wispies or any type of wispy lashes, put them on because it gives you that fluttery effect. Now for blush, I'm taking Always Spicy from e.l.f. This is their primer infused blush. It just goes well with my skin tone. Any blush that goes well with your skin tone will do this like nice glam natural look. Okay, I just put the Alyssa Ashley gloss on and this is the final look. How you guys like it? I think it's really nice. This is just a nice smoky neutral glam, and I hope you guys like this video. Have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and happy Tuesday, y'all. Bye.